Welcome. This is a book review of the famous book Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier, published, 2020. Chapter 1 of 8. Chapter 1, Money is unlimited, time is not.
The Awakening. Embarking on a journey like no other, we dive into the world of Grant Sabatier, author of Financial Freedom, a proven path to all the money you will ever need. This is a tale of transformation, of a man who once had a mere $2.26 to his name but managed to amass a net worth of over $1.25 million by the tender age of 30. How did he do it, you ask? Sabatier's secret weapon was financial freedom, a concept he introduces in the opening chapter of his groundbreaking book. This isn't your run-of-the-mill guide to personal finance. It's a roadmap to financial independence that dares to challenge the status quo. It's about creating a life where money serves you, not the other way around. Thus, Sabatier sets the stage for a story of a remarkable financial turnaround, challenging the conventional wisdom about money and time. Money is unlimited, time is not. In the first chapter of Financial Freedom, Sabatier presents an intriguing thesis: money is unlimited, time is not. Picture this: conventional wisdom says money is scarce, and time is abundant. Sabatier flips this notion, arguing that money, in fact, is abundant and can be created, while time is finite and precious. He urges us to value our time more than our money, using money as a tool to buy more of this precious commodity, time. A fascinating perspective, isn't it? The author then delves into the definition of financial freedom. It's not about retiring early or quitting your day job, although it could be if that's what you want. Financial freedom, according to Sabatier, is having the resources to do what you want, when you want, and with whom you want. It's about options, not absolutes. And this goal isn't fixed, it's as fluid and dynamic as our own personal desires and lifestyle choices. Perhaps you're thinking, well, that's easy for him to say, he's a millionaire. But Sabatier insists that financial freedom is achievable for anyone. Yes, you heard right, anyone. It's not the exclusive realm of the rich, the lucky, or the ultra-frugal. He shares compelling examples of ordinary folks who have achieved extraordinary financial independence, highlighting the common principles and strategies they used. At the heart of these principles is a mindset shift. Sabatier underscores the need to overcome limiting beliefs about money, to question assumptions and adopt a growth mindset. He advises us to be more intentional, mindful, and proactive about our financial decisions. It's not merely about earning and saving, it's about thinking and acting differently. Sabatier thus dispels the myth that financial freedom is only for the rich or lucky, and instead insists that it's possible for anyone willing to change their mindset and take proactive financial decisions. So, are you ready for your journey to financial freedom? Remember, money is unlimited, time is not. Reflections on financial freedom. As we draw to a close on our exploration of financial freedom, let's reflect on the insights offered by Grant Sabatier. We've traversed through the chapters, absorbing the radical concept of financial freedom, a term not synonymous with retirement or amassing wealth, but about having the option to live life on one's own terms. Sabatier emphasizes that money, contrary to popular belief, is abundant. It can be created, multiplied, and used as a tool to buy the one thing we can't replenish, time. This notion calls for a mindset shift, a new perspective on how we perceive our finances and our life. We've also learned that financial freedom is not exclusive. It isn't a club for the rich, the lucky, or the frugal. It's achievable for anyone, regardless of income, age, or background, provided they adopt a proactive, intentional approach to their financial decisions. In Sabatier's words, financial freedom is not about retiring early, but about having the option to do so. Remember, anyone can achieve financial freedom. It's not about how much money you have, but how you use it to buy time, the only resource we cannot replenish.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more uploads. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next video, stay blessed.